utaenda, utatangulia huko, uende pali tutaenda mwishowe, lakini utatangulia. There's no compromise.
Ino ni miario ya munene wa borithi Japheth Koome akineana mukana wa thiku 30 kuri andu aria megwateire mishinga na matharaita mugaro na watho makoro makimaneana kuri maafitha borithi kwaga uguo moero ikinya ria kiwatho.
Iyo bunduki uko nayo ambaye is illegal, you are unlawfully holding that fire. Uko na hiyo bunduki kusumbua wananchi wetu watukufu. Hiyo bunduki rudisha kwetu.
Koome aheanite mukana uyu thutha wa kunanira njung'wa na gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja iguru rigio haguku wa ugitiri kaunti ya Nairobi. Gavana Sakaja akiuga kuri na andu maramwandikira ndumiriri makiuga mari na mishinga na ni marenda kumineana kuri borithi.
They are very receptive to the ideas that we have shared on how to restore sanity and order in Nairobi County. That one we will do without flinching. We will cooperate with the National Police Service.
Na kurumirira wikinai uria wihereirie tauni-ini ya Nairobi nginyagia mathaa-ini ma muthenya kuria nyanake irahithukira andu na kumatheca na tuhiu na gutiga mabora. Koome augite nimekung'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
Yeyote ambaye anatisha wananchi, anaweka woga kwa wananchi, kutembea na visu, huyo tutamhudumia.
Wikinai uyu ni ucungireire ritho ria thirikari. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki akiruta mukana kuri ekinai ati ihinda riao ni ithiru ria gwiting'uria, akiuga tauni ya Nairobi ndigutuwo gitumiro kia wikinai na thirikari ni kuhuthira njira ciothe kuhitana nao na to Nairobi tu no ni bururi wothe.
The message they have been trying to send has reached us. We have heard them. These criminals want us to believe that they have the wherewithal, the sophistication and the endurance to withstand the lawful response of the government on crime, especially organized crimes.
Kindiki augite ni mareire mitaratara na ruhonge rwa borithi ruri na gikundi kia maabitha kuma honge itiganite gia kung'ethanira na ekinai aya na icia mahiu cigo-ini iria ihutitio ni thina uyu, borithi makiurio kwaga kwagarara watho riria mararuta wira wao.
We are coming to dismantle, to bring down the entire chain that has been the cattle or livestock rustling industry. From the financiers, the spiritual supporters, the criminals, the benefactors, and those who purchase livestock stolen from fellow Kenyans.
Nake kamanda wa borithi kaunti ya Nakuru Peter Mwanzo ni ahete muingi wa mwena ucio kanya ga kwigitira na kung'ethanira na ekinai aria makoretwo makimahofaniria na makiria itura-ini ria Manyani. Miario yake ikinyita baru miario ya OCS wa Bondeni Kimtai Kemboi ya kiumia kihituku kuria oritie muingi wa Manyani kuraga ekinai aria maramahithukira.
We can only be at a particular point at a given time. So what the OCS meant is, can we work together?
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.